Find or read reviews that people are talking about AiGerdinn 4-in-1 Soil Test Kit, Soil Moisture Meter, Light, Fertility, Soil pH Meter. Why you should choose this product. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 4-in-1 Comprehensive Maintenance. 4-in-1 Soil Meter with Soil Moisture Meter / Soil pH Meter / Nutrients and Sunlight Meter. It can meet your needs for measuring soil pH, soil nutrients, sunlight and soil moisture level with a single button. The accurate results can be displayed clearly on the oversized dial immediately. Then you can adjust the moisture and nutrient supply based on the soil test results, balance the soil pH of soil, and make them grow vigorously and healthily. No require battery and widely use. This 4-in-1 soil pH test kit doesn't need an extra battery and is upgraded with a durable single soil testing probe which less hurts the roots, and can detect complex soil conditions, mixed soil. Can widely be used for indoor and outdoor garden, and all stages of organic gardening / ornamental landscapes, small trees, composting, pots and more. You can buy one to understand more about your soil and enjoy the planting and harvest. Design patented US, creative 1.95-inch large window design. The soil moisture meter for plants has a 1.95-inch oversized dial, which is bigger than the traditional soil hygrometer. Suitable for both young and old growers, every soil tester is packed well with a color-designed box. You can deliver it to your loved ones who have a passion for gardening. On birthdays / anniversaries / holidays, or housewarmings. More accurate and easy to use. Using the latest soil sensor detection technology, this soil moisture tester is more accurate in testing soil fertility / pH content. Simply insert the soil tester into soil 2.5 to 3 inch and read the results immediately. Allows you to quickly and accurately understand soil conditions and easily determine when to water, fertilize and control soil pH, helping you to grow your garden scientifically, then create your own lush, beautiful indoor and outdoor garden landscapes. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Don't forget to press subscribe. Press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.